Come on students, welcome to this rapid physics tricks. So we should be very fast now. We have to attack the problems like dinosaur. So let us solve the problems in the most easiest techniques. Okay, so the first problem is this one, in which there is a pulley. There are two masses m1 m2 which are hanging on the right side. There is one mass which is hanging on the left side. If you observe this side of the pulley, it is heavier because there are two masses, and it is said the mass m1 is 1 kg, m2 is 2 kg here. So this is going to be totally 3 and this is going to be 2 here. Definitely these two are coming down. This is moving up. You should remember only a simple formula here. What is that? A is equal to unbalanced load by total mass. Acceleration of the system, if you want to find out, it is very easy. You have to find out unbalanced load by total mass. And now let us consider, in this case these two are coming down, this is moving up. So tension for the body which is moving up is considered to be T up is equal to M up into G plus A, because when the body is going against the gravitational force, acceleration is going to add up, and when the body is coming down, it is moving down here, acceleration gets subtracted. You know all these basics because you are familiar here. Okay, so these three formulas, if you remember, you can solve any problem of pulleys. Multiple pulleys also you can solve here, but this is the basic technique which you have to remember. So let us solve here now. You can find out tension T1 here. How are you going to find out tension T1? Because as this body is moving up, tension T1 can be considered as M up. So tension upwards means mass which is going upward is M3. So M3 into G plus A is the formula here. You have to just substitute here. That is T1 is equal to M3 is 2 into 10 plus A here. For example, acceleration is 2 meter per second square. You have to just add them. That's it. Next, you can find out tension T2 also. How are you going to find out tension T2? Tension T2 means this body is coming down. So the body for which it is coming down, tension down is going to be mass down into G plus A. For this body is going down. So the body which is moving down is M1. So you have to consider the mass of M1 here. So M1 into G minus A you have to consider here. So therefore T2 is equal to, what is M1 here? M1 is 1 and G is 10 and this is going to be 2. Okay, so these are the answers which you have to solve here. Okay, so this is nothing but 24 newtons and this is nothing but 8 newtons. It's very simple. So you got the answers for tensions here. You got the answers for tensions here. Next you have to find out an acceleration. Acceleration, the simple formula is very easy here. Unbalanced load by total mass. Here what do you mean by unbalanced load? The masses which are hanging are said to be unbalanced, and the masses which are resting on the tables are said to be balanced masses here. Okay, so the one which is resting on the table you have to consider as balanced forces, and the one which are hanging. Let us take an example of a human being. A human being is hanging with a rope. Is he called as balanced or unbalanced? He is unbalanced. If for example a human being is sitting on the table, he is said to be balanced. Okay, so let us take an example of this now. So here you have to find out acceleration. Acceleration of body is nothing but unbalanced load by total mass. What do you mean by unbalanced here? Okay, so these are the one which are hanging and these are moving down. This is moving up here. Okay, so unbalanced means you have to consider these two masses should be considered as positive because they are moving towards the earth. The one which is moving against the earth is considered to be negative here. So it is considered as M3. So this is G you have to take anyhow, because unbalanced load, actually unbalanced load is nothing but these are coming down. So M1 into G plus M2 into G minus M3 into G you have to consider. So therefore G is getting common out here. Then divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is common here. So total mass you have to consider. Total mass means you have to add all these three masses here. So this is about the first formula. First problem solution is A is equal to M1 plus M2 What is m1 plus m2? It is 1 plus 2. Minus m3 is again 2. Into g is 10. And add all these three, you will getting 1 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. So your answer is going to be 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 10. Divided by 5. So answer is going to be 5. That is nothing but 2 meter per second square. This is going to be an acceleration here. So we have solved the problem in just 3 steps. What are the 3 steps? First step is g plus a, m into g plus a. Second step is m into g minus a. Third step is acceleration is equal to unbalanced load by total mass. Load means you have to consider mass into gravity here. That is weight. Load is nothing but weight here. So the loads which are moving downwards is considered to be positive. The one which is moving against to the earth is considered to be negative vector. So you have to take this as minus here. So this is the strategy of solving the problem. If you understood this here, you can solve very easily this one also. What you need to do here, let us see. So if you observe this one, make a note of this or take a screenshot of this. We shall go for the next problem, that is problem number 2. Okay, so I'm going to rub this problem number 1 here. So how are you going to do this problem number 2? It's very simple. Here also the same formula you are applying. Acceleration is equal to unbalanced load by total mass. What is the unbalanced load? These three are moving down. This is moving up. So acceleration is equal to unbalanced load. Means the one which are moving down is considered to be positive here. m1 plus m2 plus m3 minus m4 into g. Actually it is m1 into g plus m2 into g plus m3 into g minus m4 into g. G is getting common by total mass. m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4. Okay, so this is the formula here. Okay, then if he has given the values of m1 is equal to 2 kg, m2 is equal to 2 kg, m3 is again 2 kg, m4 is again 2 kg, and acceleration of the system you can find out by using the formula here. So once you get an acceleration here, is it not easy to find out the solution? You can find out tension T1. So as these bodies are moving down, it is very simple. m1 into g minus a you have to consider here. So as it is moving down, so g minus a. Then what is tension T2? Tension T2 is nothing but, as these two bodies are hanging to this tension T2, you have to take the sum of these two. Therefore you can consider m1 plus m2 into g minus a. You can find out tension T3 also. It's very simple. That is m1 plus m2 plus m3 into g minus a. So either you can use this formula or you can take only single body, or you can also find out by using this mass. That is T3 is equal to m4 into the one which is moving up. It is considered to be g plus a. So you can consider m4 into g plus a also. They are going to give you the same answer. If you want, you can check it. Okay, the values are given here. You can just substitute the values. So m1 plus m1 into g minus a. So acceleration you will get first here. You can find out acceleration by using the formula, and these are the formulas which will help you to solve this problem. Okay, so you can just substitute the values and get the answer here. So let us consider this case where one body is resting on the table and two bodies are hanging here. So this body is having larger mass according to the data given here. m2 is 2 kg, m1 is 1 kg. So this is coming down, this is moving up. This is called as balanced load. These two are called as unbalanced. So we need not consider this one while finding the acceleration. So we'll find out an acceleration is equal to unbalanced loads. Unbalanced load means this minus this here. The one which is moving towards the earth is considered to be positive. The one which is moving against to the earth is taken as negative. So you can consider m2 minus m1 into g by total mass. That is m1 plus m2. It's a very simple method to find out the answer. So acceleration will get. Can't you find out tension now here? Tension T1 you can find out. As it is moving up, it is m into g plus a. So m1 into g plus a. This is moving downwards. So the one which is moving down, it is m1, this is m2 into g minus a, that's it. That is T2 is equal to m2 into g minus a. You just substitute the values and get the answer. Is it not the simple technique to find out the problems? Okay, so thank you for giving me a chance to. This is the first session. We can continue with this series, okay? So you can take a screenshot of this. Thank you very much.